Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see liked videos on YouTube. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application, and then the most easiest way how you can find your liked videos is to click on your profile image button at the bottom right. Here it is. And then in this interface you will see playlists section, and then under this heading there is a liked videos folder, so you need to click on that one folder, and then you will see all your liked videos. So you can actually click on the videos to see all your liked videos, or maybe shorts and see your liked shorts. So another one way how you can watch your liked videos is to click on the settings icon at the top right, and then click on your data in YouTube. Here it is. After that, in this interface you need to scroll down, and then in this section YouTube watch history you need to click on the manage your YouTube watch history. Then at the top of your screen you need to click on the interactions button, then video likes and dislikes, and then here you will see all your liked and disliked videos. So you can actually click on the cross icon next to necessary one video and remove it from your liked videos. So you will see your videos date by date actually. So and that's all, and that's how to see liked videos on YouTube. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.